Now when you measure current with a multimeter, you need to put it in series with the load. So we'll bridge that gap with the blue LED. With the switch there, we have an opening, a gap basically, when we are not pressing the switch. So we can just do that. Now we have the meter. This is an auto ranging meter. So it's a little more complicated than other measurements. We still have a range we have to set it to. So it's milliamps though, but I think 600 milliamps is the absolute max. So I always check out the max there, but will be low milliamps of current. You put the red probe where it says milliamps. The only time you usually change it is if it is high current, which really you shouldn't be measuring until you really learn how. So in any case, as I said before, we're going to bridge the gap with the blue LED right here, and there you can see we got about 2 milliamps of current. It's 5 volts, and that's a 1000 ohm resistor. We can just skip the LED there, measure the current through the resistor, and you can see 5 milliamps of current. So that holds up. Now over here, we got to put it in series so we can bridge the gap right there. And now you can see when you press the button, you got about 13 milliamps of current flowing through it. When it comes to just the resistor, so now we're going to jump around the LED and we have to close the switch. You can see we got about 20 milliamps of current. That's because it's a 220 ohm resistor and 5 volts at the supply. When it comes to measuring current, always get the meter off of measuring current when you are done. If you accidentally measure a voltage, it'll probably put too much current through the meter for what you set it to, and you'll blow a fuse. You'll have to replace the fuse.